Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best offset smokers which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Masterbuilt MB1117 Digital Electric Smoker. For fast and easy smoking, you can't go wrong with the Masterbuilt 20,070,910 model. While it has a basic look, this is a model that anyone can use. It lets you smoke meat, seafood and even fresh vegetables in a fraction of the time that you expected. Opening the front door will reveal 4 metal racks, a drip tray and a tray for holding your wood chips. That metal drip tray slides in and out of place with these, making it easy to clean out that tray after smoking some new dishes. That drip tray also makes cleaning up a lot easier because it collects all the liquids, including marinades and even fat, that comes off your meat. Instead of using a standard loading tray that requires you open the door during the smoking process, Masterbuilt placed the loading tray on the side of the smoker. That side tray lets you add more chips later in the process to produce more smoke without opening the door first. You can regulate the temperature of it as you add more chips. Key features: digital panel controls on, off, cooking temperature and time. 4 chrome-coated smoking racks. Patented side wood chip loading system allows you to add wood chips without opening the door. Thermostat temperature control for even, consistent smoking. Fully insulated body retains heat. Number 2. Dyna-Glo Charcoal Offset Smoker. In terms of style, this is without a doubt one of the best offset smokers around. The Dyna-Glo 1176 PDCD Charcoal Offset Smoker features a heavy-duty steel construction that has been painted a matte black. It comes with a large pressure gauge on the front and a cool smokestack on the top. But is it actually any good? With this mighty model, you are treated to an impressive 784 square inches of cooking space. This is large enough for those times when you want to throw a party for friends and family. You are also treated to 15,000 BTUs of heat to help make cooking meat to perfection a breeze. You are treated to a series of grates that can be stacked one on top of the other. This allows you to cook up to 100 pounds of meat at the same time. This should be enough to satisfy the needs of a large group of hungry carnivores. The large number of air vents assist good temperature control. Thanks to the large pressure gauge, you will be able to see exactly what's going on. This is also assisted by the attractive and functional dual door construction. Pros: boasts a very cool design. Dual door design to minimize heat loss. Delivers 15,000 BTUs of power. Made of heavy-duty cast iron. Features a heavy-gauge steel wood chip box. Cons: tends to produce smoke. Number 3. Oklahoma Joe's Charcoal, LP Gas, Smoker Combo. This is a great smoker for anyone who is looking for multiple options for outdoor cooking. It offers you a superior level of versatility by allowing you to smoke, charcoal grill, and gas grill your food. This powerful yet stylish smoker has 3 separate compartments to give you a total cooking space of 1,060 square inches. The main compartment is for smoking your food, with a side chamber for grilling. There are 2 separate chambers, one for your charcoal and wood fuel, and another one for a gas burner. This means that you can not only choose how you want to cook, but also choose what fuel you want to use, depending on factors like how fast you want the cooking to be done and how flavorful you want your dish to be. Pros: this smoker allows you to do your cooking in multiple ways. You can smoke and grill your food using charcoal or gas fuel. It gives you a large total cooking capacity of 1,060 square inches. The heat and smoke is very easy to control. There are separate thermometers for the cooking chambers. There is a convenient wire shelf below the cooking chamber to keep your grilling accessories within your reach. Cons: the large size and the heavy weight of the equipment might be an inconvenience for a single person. Number 4. Z-Grill's ZPG 450A Grill and Smoker. This Z-Grill smoker is a 6-in-1 with auto temperature control and an electronic auto start ignition. This has a wide temperature range of between 180 degrees Fahrenheit and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning that you can smoke, grill, BBQ, sear, roast or braise. Most of the time this will stay within 10 degrees of your set temperature. whatever the temperature is outside of the grill and smoker. This grill and smoker gives you 450 square inches of grilling area, with the main cooking area being 324 square inches. The LED display provides you with easy-to-read control and real-time temperatures, and the auto temperature control will automatically add pellets to the smoker as needed to regulate its temperature. Because this smoker and grill uses convection heat distribution technology, it means your meat will get cooked evenly, and as the pellet hopper holds 15 pounds of pellets, around 15 hours of cooking time, it means you can leave it to get on with longer smokes without needing to worry too much about pellets running out. Pros: 6-in-1 grill and smoker with a 450 square inches grilling area. You can smoke, grill, BBQ, sear, roast or braise. Its LED display shows the control and real-time temperatures. Stainless steel for rust resistance with a stylish black and bronzed finish. Cons: no ash door, so you will need to remove the rack and vacuum the ashes out. Number 5. Royal Gourmet BBQ Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker. Designed as a traditional charcoal grill with an offset smoker so you can grill and smoke at the same time, the offset smoker can also be used as a small grill if required. This grill with smoker is a 30 inches grill that provides a total of 800 square inches of cooking space, 438 square inches of this being in the main chamber. The side box has a 183 square inches capacity for smoking or charcoal grilling, and there is another 179 square inches of swing-away rack. This has an inbuilt thermometer in the lid of the main chamber so you can keep an eye on the temperature, and the handles are a stay cool design. Both dampers are adjustable, and you can also alter the height of the fire pan for better temperature control when grilling. The cooking grates are porcelain coated for corrosion and rust resistance, as well as them being able to retain heat evenly during cooking. You can add charcoal through the side access door, and this also has an ash pan for easy cleaning after use. Pros: you can grill burgers and smoke some brisket at the same time. This will give you a total of 800 square inches of cooking space between the grill and offset smoker. The porcelain cooking grates will retain heat evenly and resist rust and corrosion. 2 adjustable dampers and adjustable fire pan for better temperature regulation. Cons: no separate thermometer on the offset smoker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.